Hi, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody got a good night's rest. Peace, love, and coffee. Good morning. I got my leftover pizza. The pizza from when I went out with my sister. It's prosciutto, brie, romano, and I made 2 eggs. I overdid them, so I'm just gonna put both of them on here. I forgot my pepper, and I'm lopsided. And I got some of the fruit. I put the pepper in there. Little pepper never hurt anybody. Got my cantaloupe, not honeydew, cantaloupe. Oh, this got a bruise. You know, they go fast, these things. Especially if you're one person, you know? It's a lot. Got my radishes. 14 days till spring. Getting close. It's 43 in New York, lightly rain. It was raining yesterday, but then it got nice. So it might get nice today. I'm meeting Ava today for Taco Tuesday. I do believe we're going for tacos. Early bird. And let's try this pizza. This pizza was so good. It still is. We have 2 pieces left over. I took a slice. And my sister took a slice. Today's birthday, Tina Marie. I picked her. Andy Gibb. Amanda Shines. Kevin Conley. Penn Juliet. Rex Harrison. Samantha Egger. What a gorgeous woman. Eddie Grant. Murray Head. Jack Cassidy. Oh gosh, I loved him. Eva Mendez and Dean Stockwell. I liked him too. Now today is Cinco de Marzo, the 5th of March. It's like a day in preparation to get you ready for St. Patty's Day. So it's drinking and eating today, but not as not like St. Patty's Day. The reputation, anyway. I don't drink on St. Patty's Day. Though I do like that corned beef and cabbage. But today is tacos and margaritas. Maybe that's what we'll do today with Eva. Why not? It's Open Data Day, Cheese Doodle Day, Potty Dance Day. I mean, we've all done that, right? The potty dance when you wait too long. The name is Scott. Today's your name, your day, Scott. Real film, unique names, sportsmanship, and dissociative identity disorder awareness, multiple personalities awareness. And the drink is absinthe. I don't think I ever had it. Is that like the Hakananazet? No. ABSINTHE or LE. I can't read my own writing. I don't think I ever had that drink. I don't know if you put it in coffee. I don't know. If it's an after dinner drink maybe, or a pre-dinner drink. But today's Tuesday. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. You're coming with us to Cinco de Mayo. Excuse me. And my, like you don't want drama, so I'm putting my soul on a budget. I don't want any stress, any negative vibes. You stay away from that. Doubt and deceive, any deceit, or envy. You don't want anybody envying you. It's not a good thing. You don't, to envy or to be envied. No. So have a wonderful Tuesday. I'm going to enjoy my pizza. And I'll see you later for margaritas and tacos.